Hey everybody, it's Emily Reynolds here. I wanted to give you guys an update on the soy dogs. So Soy Dog Rescue and I finally got together and coordinated everything for 14 dogs to get spayed and neutered. If you are aware at all about Thailand, let's give you an example. Bangkok, for instance, has over 300,000 stray homeless dogs. Many in very sad condition with tumors, missing legs, very sick, worms, fleas is the least of it. But Soy Dog Rescue actually told me that it's far more than 300,000 dogs. So of course it is extremely heartbreaking every single day what you see the dogs and the cats are going through here in Thailand. But I never want to turn a blind eye to things like that, so I've been trying for a very long time to do as much as I can to help these dogs, and finally, long story short, we connected and some beautiful volunteers from Soy Dog Rescue have come and picked up 14 dogs that have literally been my best friends this past year. We've really bonded. They're beautiful dogs, wonderful personalities, and so sweet. Not one barked, bit, even squirmed when we picked them up and put them in crates to take them all the way across Bangkok. 3 of them got car sick and threw up all over each other. By the time we got to Soy Dog Rescue, we had to shower them off and everything, and we opened the cages. They didn't even try to escape. They're so sweet. Half of them came back. The other 7, unfortunately and fortunately, Soy Dog Rescue has found out that 7 of them are very sick. A few of the girl dogs have endometriosis very bad, and they need intensive therapy, medication, and some care. But the good news is we found it out. If these dogs never went in, we would never know, and they would, end up staying sick and possibly dying. So Soy Dog Rescue is taking care of these dogs and going to bring them back when they are ready and they're healthy. The video that I'm going to show you is the return of a few of the dogs, mostly the male dogs. They're very excited, very nervous at first, but I promise you throughout the day they were really excited to be back. And one of them followed me all the way down the street, jumping all over me today. He was so happy to be home. And Soy Dog Rescue, when they came, they didn't just drop the dogs off. They said, okay, let's get more. So there's a soy dog that is not as friendly to human beings. He has 2 little white poodle friends that hangs out with all the time, and he's super sweet to them, but if you try to get near him, he's not very nice. I did not videotape it because it was very scary when they darted him, which doesn't hurt him at all, but he's a very vicious dog, and he was not happy. But he fell asleep, got him in the crate, and he's off to Soy Dog Rescue to get fixed. And Soy Dog Rescue is going to come back, drop him off, and get 6 more dogs that are on our street. So I encourage you guys, whenever there is something, it might not be animals, whatever it is in your life that you want to make a difference, do something. Helping, it'll be by the end of it 21 dogs that we've helped. 21 is such a small number compared to probably over 500,000 dogs here that need help. But it does make a difference. All the little small things make a difference. Also, when it comes to animals, not going to pet stores and not going to breeders helps too, because there are so many dogs in the world that need homes. And I'm telling you, these dogs, I would take every single one of them if I could. So please adopt and rescue. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you do something to help somebody or something else that needs help more than you do, because we can all think about all the things we're fortunate for in our life, and not everybody and every animal is as lucky as we are. Here I go.
Hush, just stop. There's nothing you can do.